Hey everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to change out pretty much any maintenance part on a robot vacuum. This particular vacuum is the iRobot Roomba E5. So I'm going to show you how to change out the side brush, the air filter, and the dustbin. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery. I'm going to give you the model number of the battery in case you ever have to replace it. And we're also going to show you how to replace the rollers. All right, let's get started. This all is very easy to do. Anybody can do it. But like I said in some other videos, a lot of people visually want to see how to do something before they tackle the job. So let's first start with the side brush. Easiest thing on here. Literally hold on with one screw. Unscrew it, pops right off. Next thing that's easy to replace is these rollers. Little green tab right here, push it in, lift up this plate, and it gives you access to the rollers. Pull them up with one finger, pull to the right, and there you have one roller and two. So they even tell you inside the vacuum which roller goes where. You just look at the end, match it up, slide it right back in where it shows, push it down, grab your other one squared, grab that, push it in. Wiggle it in place, pop it in, and these will not fit in the other direction. You cannot get this one to fit here and vice versa because the design is different in here, it just won't fit. Then you click this down, and there you have it. Simple, you just changed your rollers. Next, the easiest thing I'd say is changing out your air filter in your dustbin. Pop off the dustbin, the filter's on the side, just pinch it, wiggle it, comes right out. You grab your new one, pop it right back in. That's it, simple. And lastly, and the hardest thing to change, but yet very easy, is the battery. So there's 5 screws. You gotta take those out. And they will stay in the frame. So you don't have to worry about losing those. Undo those. This thing should pull right up. Nice and easy. And there you have it. There is the battery. As you can see, there's more space in here, so I think you can buy an upgraded battery that's going to last longer. This particular battery on the E5, the model number is ABL-D1. It's only an 1800 milliamp hour battery, so it doesn't last long. It lasts about an hour and a half before it has to go charge. The thing I will say, after doing this replacement test on this particular E5, this is all identical to the Roomba i7. Of course, the i7 has the built-in camera, and then therefore you get much better navigation and you can have much more app control. So put back on your side brush, screw it down, and then reinstall these 5 screws. And there you have it. Within a matter of minutes, you have replaced all the replaceable parts. They're all very easy to do. I just wanted to show a quick demo of how to do so. All right, hopefully you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna do this to all my other robot vacuums. And there you have it. You all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you later.